Hey guys, just woke up. It's time 8:45. Today's open day, so it should be a bit of fun. There'll be people all over the place. So that's the weather. Looks like it's going to be a pretty good day today.
Alright, kick back, relax and grab yourself a beverage or hop if you want.
So Jeff and I are here for open day. We've been positioned at reception because we're
Face of the college.
face of the college. Jeff and I have moved outside.
The masses are coming.
Over at the
G'day.
uni, just run into Dinger.
Just came from Frisbee. It was alright. Didn't have Charlie. It was disappointing.
Ding and I are a fantastic team for Frisbee.
Can't get any better than that. And a high five to finish it off.
And away we go, up, and it's making me glow. Yes, up, and away we go, up, and liking it.
Just walking through campus centre, picked up Liam. Still got Jeff. Good to see you.
Good to see you as well. Shake on it.
There we go. Hey guys, we're just here in the Global Challenges store.
Pen splash, equivalent of a benzo, hem clad. So fly my wardrobe, come a jet lag. Cautious though, cause my hooks is fresh crack. So
Got a little bit distracted, but should probably head on back over to Mannix, do some more promoting. Woo.
I'm blessed to be spitting.
Jeff and I are going to take a tour. We're in the boardroom. Tours all went really well, I think. Heading out to lunch with the family.
It ain't fool's gold, it's gold, fool. Can't stop, won't stop, keeping it old school.
Such a nice day out here today. Oh, absolutely loving it. Not too hot. Right temperature, just a nice amount of wind, because when the sun's out it gets warm and the wind just keeps you cool. Have a look at this. Just on our way back from lunch.
Hey guys! Hi!
Everyone's back in the car. Back at Mannix now. Weather's taking a slight turn for the worse, if you can see out there. I'll try and hold you up. Starting to rain a bit. Just filling in for my sister's netball team tonight. It's absolutely pissing down. Gotta pick the sister up.
Show you how I lay it down, boy, it's so proper. No scholar, but much class. A gem found under your nose like a mustache. My pen splash, equivalent of a benzo, hem class. So fly my wardrobe.
Hey guys, on the way back from netball, 14-9 our way. It was good fun. A bit buggy, didn't play netball for a while, but yeah, it was good. Good fun. Vlog 2 done. Thanks guys.
And liking it, up and away. Hello, nurse, let me burst on this verse. I rock steady, but I never rehearse. And every verse I work is right.